So I've been doing a bunch of insulation, and this Wen staple gun has been clutch. So we had an old Porter cable one, and it lasted a really long time, and it finally died. And I ended up getting an red arrow one at Home Depot, and the first one worked for a little bit and then crapped out instantly, returned it. Got another one, worked for a little bit and then crapped out. Oh, the dogs are all excited. But this Wen one has been good, trying to close all this in. So it's been a journey. Reg. But what I like about this one, the arrow one, you could bump fire, which was kind of nice. But this doesn't have anything you have to push down on. It has a little trigger safety. This thing can swing if you don't want the trigger going off. But I just keep it out of the way. And you can really go with it here. I'll put some light on. But it just lays them in there nice, and you can really move with it. Doesn't jam. It's just, I've been super happy with it. So it's making it go quicker. And I'll let the compressor finish. Damn. Whew, okay. Ah, fresh air feels good. Whew. Breathing all that fiberglass insulation is great. So, yeah, so I got this Wen joiner. I've had this for years. This thing's been awesome. It's got stuff on it right now, but this dust collector. Only issue I've ever had with this dust collector was the plastic casters. So I got it on a moving dolly, but just real minor. And then I was making the copper bus bars yesterday. I'm almost done with them. But this scroll saw's been good too. So that's been my experience with that brand of tool. So anyways, want people to not waste their time with that red arrow one, because it just wasted so much time. You know, having to go back to the store and whatnot. So yeah, so anyways, just wanted to do a quick video. I was already doing insulation anyways, so put it out there. But I'll link it down below.